Welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to clear your browsing data in the Opera Air browser, step by step. If you're experiencing slow performance or privacy concerns, this will help you keep your browser running smoothly. Click on the Opera menu located in the top left corner of the browser window. From the drop-down menu, select Settings. In the Settings menu, in left sidebar, click on Privacy and Security. Under the Privacy and Security section, locate the option labeled Clear Browsing Data and click on it. A pop-up window will appear with different options. Choose a time range, such as the last hour, last 24 hours, last 7 days, or all time. Then you can select the types of data you want to clear. Options include Browsing History, removes records of sites you've visited. Download History, deletes the list of downloaded files, but not the actual files. Cookies and other site data, logs you out of websites and removes stored site preferences. Cached images and files, helps free up space and resolve loading issues. Once you've selected your preferences, click the Clear Data button to remove the selected information from your browser. And that's it. You've successfully cleared your browsing data in Opera Air. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tutorials. See you in the next one.